Okay, we're paddling the boat. We're paddling this big boat. Well, it's not that big.
Actually, compared to that yacht over there, we're kind of like shark bait.
Yeah, but like...
Shark bait! Ooh, oh.
It seems big when you're trying to paddle.
Yeah, I know, but then when you like look at other boats, yeah, we're tiny.
Paddle with a hole in it, which I totally don't understand.
I'm done. Look at this pelican.
Oh, I think I had my finger over the thing you're talking to.
No, I don't think so.
Oh, I don't know.
So, this is the day in the life of Haley, Daniels, and Sarah Taylor paddling on a boat in the middle of, what do you call this, canal?
It's not really a canal because, you know, it's like all open. I don't really know what you call it.
Well, it's not exactly the bay either, because it's not.
Yeah,
I think they call it a canal.
I guess. Sure, let's call it a canal.
All right.
I don't know what else to call it. I think this becomes longer.
Oh, jeez.
There's a button.
Ladies and gentlemen, here's your nightly entertainment.
I don't think that's a button. Oh.
Haley, it's wood.
It's not wood, it's metal. I think it's rusty, and that's why it's stuck here.
I think that paddle has feelings too, you know.
Okay, I don't think. I think it's pretty solid. It's not gonna work. Ah! There's a big boat. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We should start. Paddle.
Okay, well.
Sarah, turn. Sarah,
Okay, I'm turning. I can't turn with the camera.
Oh my gosh.
There's a face on your head. Do you have a zoom on here? Do you have a zoom on here?
I don't know. Just set it down. We need to get out of the way.
Well, we're not gonna go anywhere very fast.
Oh no! Turn! Come on! Turn!
We're just gonna go in circles.
Okay, we just need to get out of the way. I don't want to die!
We're not gonna die.
Oh, there are dogs.
It's not even gonna hit us.
Oh.
Haley, what do you have to say to the camera after that episode? There's a doggy inside the house. Look at that house.
Oh yeah, because I was screaming.
Yeah, you were like, I'm gonna die. See that boat over there that's moving?
Causeway. We should get away from this house.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
there are probably
Okay,
people
we'll
there.
say bye.
Bye!